Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Find the highest common factor of 54 and 90. The highest common factor, or the HCF, let me write that down, HCF, is the biggest number that divides into both 54 and 90 exactly. So one good way is to use prime factors. So let's start with the number 55. So here we have 55. Now, if we divide 55 by 2, remember 2 is a prime number and it is a factor of 54, so it's a prime factor, we get 27. If we divide 27 by 3, we get 9. If we divide 9 by 3, we get 3. Do you guys agree? So 54 can be written as 2 times 3 to the power of 3, because we have 1, 2, and we have 3 3s. Now we are going to do the same with the number 90. So let's start with 90. So I can divide 90 by 10, then I get 9. I can divide 10 by 2, then I get 5. I can divide 9 by 3, then I get 3. Okay, 2, 5, and 3, they are all prime numbers and they are all factors of 90, so they are the prime factors of 90. So we can say that 90 is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5, because we have 1 2, we have 2 3s, and we have 1 5. So now we are going to look for the prime factors that they have in common. Both of these numbers have a prime factor of 2, and both have at least 2 2s. Let's write it out completely. So 54 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. And 90 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. It's easier to do it this way. So now we are going to look for the prime factors that they have in common. They both have a 2. We can see that, right? Okay, so let's write that down. We can say the highest common factor is equal to 2. And then they both have at least 2 3s. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we are going to write that down as well. Times 3 times 3. They don't have any other numbers in common. Now what is 2 times 3 times 3? 2 times 3 times 3 is equal to 18. So that means the final answer, the highest common factor of 54 and 90 is 18. Counted 1 mark. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.